Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sandi Toga and I'm from Offering B. And today, I want to say thank you to my lecturer and my dear friends because I want to give a speech on the importance of education, about which all the people present here know about it. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is very important to get proper education in the same way as the healthy body needs food to achieve success and happiness. It is necessary to live a great and better life. It promotes the feeling of living better life as well as being good at the physical, mental, and social level. The nature of good education is constructive, which creates our future forever. It helps a person to improve his mental, physical, and spiritual level. It gives us a lot of confidence by providing knowledge of many areas. It is also the single and important part of the personal development along with success. Do you think attending school and doing projects for your college is a waste of time? If you do, you might want to reconsider that claim as education is a key part of society growth and progress. When people are educated, they can significantly contribute to their families and society in various aspects and fields. Why is education important to society? Hmm. Let's take into account some reason. The number one, employ creating more employment opportunities to finding a job is not easy, especially in times of economic turmoil. You often need to compete with hundreds of other candidates for a vacant position. In addition, the lower the education level, the greater the number of people applying for the same low-paying entry-level post. However, with the right qualification and educational background, you will increase your chance of landing fulfilling job. The second is securing a higher income. People with higher education and varied experience are more likely to get high-paying expert jobs. Study hard, dedicate, and effort to acquire knowledge and reach a high level of competence if you would like to lead a comfortable lifestyle. The number three is developing problem solving skills. One of the benefits of education is that the educational system teaches us how to obtain and develop critical and logical thinking and make independent decisions. The number fourth is providing a prosperous and happy life. Education has always secured respect from society. In order to ensure a comfortable lifestyle, people should educate themselves and obtain a well-paid job to be successful and satisfied. It helps gain a better reputation and increase the chance of climbing the career ladder more easily and faster. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It helps people become great citizens, get a better paid job, shows the difference between good and bad. Education shows us the importance of hard work and at the same time helps us grow and develop. Thus, we are able to shape a better society to live in by knowing and respecting rights, laws, and regulation. Learning language through education process helps interact with different people in order to exchange the ideas, knowledge, and practice. It teaches us to live in harmony. We should have a bad habit learning something from our teacher, parents, and family members and other people related to our life throughout our life. We keep learning about something to be good person, living in home, society, community, and friends. Going to school and taking education is very important for every person and it is very important for those who want to achieve success. We all have born on the same planet in the same manner. However, due to the lack of money and lack of knowledge of the parents, there is no single opportunity for such formal education which can lead everyone's success. The person who reaches proper education is eligible for appreciation in family, society, and country. Proper education for everyone removes all forms of discrimination by bringing equality among people. Education is not only enables you to study history, science, math, geography, and other subjects. However, it is also teach us how to handle bad situations in life. So, that is my speech. I'm sorry for making mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.